Oh, by the way, guys, I think I explained this in other class, but I'm not so sure if I explained this in this class as well. So tomorrow, Wednesday, excuse me, and Thursday, you're going to have your asynchronous class, meaning you're going to do your work independently. We're not going to conduct like what we're doing right now in Zoom, but my Zoom is on during that time. And if you have a question, then I'll be available to answer a question on that time. So I'm not going to see you on Thursday, meaning there's no new lesson will be introduced, but instead I will be there available for questions to answer. And what you're going to do is, if you miss work that need to be done, use that time to complete it and submit, because we want to make it sure that every one of you given the opportunity to submit all missing works, and at the same time to pass the class, because your first semester grade will be coming up pretty soon. And that is very important because that's the only time you're going to receive 5 credits for first semester. If you fail to complete all the works that we assign you during that period for the entire first semester, definitely you're not going to earn 5 credits. Okay? Just want to give you a heads up on that one. So, for those of you who think that you're failing in this class, use the time, the opportunity to complete the missing work and submit it. Do you understand all of that, guys? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So if you get a C, B, or A in this class, you're okay. But if you get an F or D in this class, you better do something and double time in completing the missing work. I will be on Thursday on Zoom available for answering all your questions. Is there any question on that, guys? Hello?
No.
Okay, so I'm not the only one who's gonna have an asynchronous class. All of your classes during that day, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so we give you 2 days to complete all missing work so that you get chance to pass whatever classes that you're enrolled in. Okay. Okay, you got 16 more seconds. Then we're going to proceed to your lesson. Okay, 16, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Okay. That's all. Now, what I want you to do, guys, is okay. I want you to proceed to your um, canvas. Proceed to the assignment section, and then let's find out which one right here. Okay. I got Adriano, Elijah, David, Corday at work, but I'm going to review that later on. But for the meantime, let's focus on this one. Okay. I'm looking at the work right here. Okay. This one, it says 12/10/2020 classwork. No one submitted that work. So I'm going to put it right here on my list. Okay. On my list, I'm going to put 12/10/2020 classwork. So that's the first thing. Okay, what else do we have right here? That's zero, completely zero. Okay, another one is this one, the warm up. The warm up for uh 12/4. 12/4/2020 warm up. Okay, let's proceed to that one first. Then we're going to proceed to the classwork. Okay, are you following me here, guys? Hello? Okay, could you please turn
Yeah.
on all of your cameras so that I see who are still in the class? John, Luna, David, Jonathan, Ernesto, Elijah, Jonathan, Ernesto, Jonathan, Ernesto, are you still there? Ernesto, could you please turn on your camera? Okay, so I'm going to click on 12/4/2020. Okay, so I've noticed right here there are three students. One is Adriano, next is John, and then the other one is Carlos. Okay, so it's up with you if you want to especially John. Okay, so you want to improve your grade, go ahead and then follow along with us. Okay, the rest of you, you have to watch and copy this. Okay, so let me click that one, the warm up. Okay, so for your warm up, it says right here, evaluate expression when giving you a certain example. Okay, let me change my view right here. Let me know if you be able to see it. Are you be able to see the paper? Yes,
Yeah.
no. Okay, so let's start. The title of this one is 12. Make sure you write this on top of your paper so that you know where you're going to submit this one. Okay, 12/4/2020. And then this is warm up. Okay, warm up. Again, I am asking you guys to copy this so that you don't have to worry about where you're going to put this warm up. Okay, I'm going to highlight that one so that you know. Don't ask me later on. Where is that? What? Okay. See. You be able to see it? Okay, there you go. Let me know, guys, if it's not clear or you're not seeing it correctly. Let me know. Okay. Number one, it says your A is equals to 1/2. B is equals to 2/3. C is equals to 1/3.
It's a little bright.
D, what? It's too bright? How about that one? Are you be able to see it?
Yeah.
You don't see it? How about that one? Okay. Letter D, you have 3/4. Okay. So this is because we're learning the rational expression. So I am going to I'm using all these. Let me use black so that you can see it clearly. Okay. Number one, it says right here, 2 times A minus B. Okay. So 2 times 1/2 minus 2/3. Okay. So 2, let me do this first. So you have 6. So 2 divided by 3, 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1 is 3 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2 is 4. So my answer is 2 times negative 1/6. Okay. Next, you multiply. So you have negative 2 over 6. And that is equals to negative 1/3. So that's your answer. Number two. Number two, it says 3 times C plus D. So you have 3 times 1/3 plus 3/4. So you have 3 times 12. Where did I get 12? You multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4. Copy the plus sign. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3 is 9. So you have 3. So you got 13 over 12. So you multiply. So you have 39 over 12. So you simplify that one. 39 divided by 12. So you have 3, you got 36 on 3 and 3 over 12. So you have here 39 over 12 is equals to 3 and 312. You can still simplify that. So your answer is 3 and 1/4. So that's your answer. Okay, number 4. I mean 3. Number 3, you have 4ab. So you have 4 times 1/2 times 2/3. So you have 4 times 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So you multiply. So you have 8 over 6. Right? So let's divide. 8 divided by 6. So you have 1. So you get 6. You get 2. So you ended up 1 and 2, 6. Or 1 and 1/3. So that's your answer. Okay, number 4. Number 4, you have 2a over 3b. So you have 2 times 1/2 divided by 3 times 2/3. So you have 2 times 2, you have 2 over 2 divided by 6 over 3. So you ended up here like 2 over 2. Since you're dividing, you're going to change that to multiplication and then you flip this. So you ended up with 3 over 6, right? And then you multiply. So that is 6 over 12. And then you can simplify that to 1/2. So that's your answer. Okay. Next, this is number 5. You'll be able to see number 5. Okay. Number 5. Number 5. You have 2 CD over 3A. So 2 times the value of your C is 1/3 times the value of your D is 3/4. So divided by 3 times the value of your A is 1/2. So this one you have 2. That's 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. This one you have 3 times 1 is 3 over 2. And then this one you can do this like 2 times 3 is 6 over 12 divided by 3 over 2. Okay, again, remember when you're dividing fraction, you have to change that to multiplication. And this one you flip. So you ended up with multiply 2 over 3. So you have here 12 over 36. And then when you divide that by 12, you ended up with 1 over 3. So that's your answer. Number 6. Number 6, you have 2 times A plus B over 3 times C minus D. Okay. So 2 times the quantity with the value of your A is 1/2. Okay. Plus, okay, read that. Plus 2/3 divided by 3 times your C is 1/3 minus your D is 3/4. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to find the least common denominator of this one because they have different denominators. The same thing underneath right here. So you ended up with this, okay? 2, okay? So let's do this. By 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1 is 3 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2 is 4. On the bottom, the denominator, so 3 times. Least common denominator for this one is 12. So you have 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4 minus 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so now let's do this. 2, 3 plus 4 is 7 over 6. 3, 4, take away 9 is negative 5 over 12. There you go. And now let's multiply. 2 times 7, 14 over 6 divided by 3 times 5 is negative 15 over 12. Now, when you're dividing, you have to change that to multiplication. So you ended up with 14 over 6 times split 12 over 15, which is negative, right? So now you can cross this out. Okay, so this becomes 1, that becomes 2. Okay, so you ended up with multiply that one. So you have here 28 over negative 15. And then you can simplify that one. 28 over negative 15 by doing this. 28 divided by negative 15. So you have 1, 15. This is 13. So that becomes 13 over 15. Or your answer is negative 1 and 13 over 15. Okay, is there any question on that one? You get it? Hello? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see right here so that you don't get confused. I already separated them. Okay, there you go. So this one all about number 5. This one is all about number 6. Okay, copy that one and then let me know when you get done. Are you done? Hello?
No.
Okay, are you copying this or you just kind of looking at it?
Copy.
Huh?
Copying. Copying it.
Okay, make sure, guys. Make sure. Okay, I'm giving you another 2 minutes to complete this one because we have to look for the other classwork right here. Remember, I just listed here. It says classwork 1210. Majority of you guys did not do it. So I just want to make it sure that we get it done before the end of these days. Okay? 1 more minute left. Ten more seconds, guys. Twelve, 10. Okay, guys, that's it. Remember, I gave you this classwork. I think it was December 10, and it is a packet form. What you're going to do is simply, okay, I don't know how we're going to, there are 10 pages on this one, but let me share my screen so that you can see it. Okay, are you following me here?
Yeah.
Hello.
if we don't finish it, but we turn in, but we still get some points.
Which one are you talking about? The this one, the warm up?
This, yeah, the warm up.
Okay, this is what I want you to do. Take a picture of this one.
How do I take a picture of it?
Oh, you don't have a cell phone?
No,
Okay, you know how to do the screenshot, right? Using your Chromebook?
no, I don't. Can you tell me?
Okay, so you will see. Uh, okay, you see this one, right? Okay, it says right here, control. Are you be able to see it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Control.
okay. Let me change my my view so that you can see it.